Yeah. Well, it took a long time, didn't it?
Yeah.
Will you be able to pass me the net then?
Yeah, I don't know.
1 second, no, not yet. Anyhow. Well, it took a lot longer than normal, huh? Strong. Strong carp. I think it's a common. Oh. He's only waking up now. Fish still taking on the surface.
He's stubborn.
Whoa, spooked one of his buddies. And another run. He does not want to come in.
He's big.
He's not small. He hit a little bit of a snag there. I was worried for a second. No way.
He's having none of it.
As long as we keep him in between the lilies. Strong fish. There we go. Get in my net. He's ours. A little travel mat here. Now, here's the fish. We want to make sure the fish's fins are flat against the net itself when we go to lift them. Yeah. Hook falling out in the net. Beautiful fish. He was worth a weigh. Lovely. Hi folks.
How's it going?